has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ohio County in southeastern Indiana, central Ripley County in southeastern Indiana, southwestern Dearborn County in southeastern Indiana, western Switzerland County in southeastern Indiana, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Madison, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Versailles, Milan, Osgood, Dillsboro, Moores Hill, Wilmington, Manchester, Sunland, Hartford, Holton, Fairview, Center Square, Aberdeen, Cold Springs, Farmers Retreat, Friendship, Versailles Lake, Kirkus Grove, and Mount Sterling. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. You are listening.